Hello and welcome to BrainPopz. Let's learn to read sentences. The red pen. The red pen. The red pen. Ben met Ed. Ben met Ed. Ben met Ed. The hen is wet. The hen is wet. The hen is wet. Ted has a net. Ted has a net. Ted has a net. The pet is big. The pet is big. The pet is big. Jen can get it. Jen can get it. Jen can get it. The men ran. The men ran. The men ran. The leg is red. The leg is red. The leg is red. The bed is wet. The bed is wet. The bed is wet. Ned has a pen. Ned has a pen. Ned has a pen. The wet is here. The wet is here. The wet is here. The net is big. The net is big. The net is big. The pet can get it. The pet can get it. The pet can get it. The hen can peck. The hen can peck. The hen can peck. The red hen sat. The red hen sat. The red hen sat. Great job reading! Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to BrainPopz. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.